The Dred Scott decision, formerly known as Dred Scott versus Sandford, delivered in 1857 by the U.S. Supreme Court, remains one of the most controversial and significant legal determinations in American history. Dred Scott, an enslaved African American, had been taken by his owner, Dr. John Emerson, from Missouri, a slave state, to Illinois, and then to the Wisconsin Territory, areas where slavery was prohibited. After returning to Missouri, Scott attempted to buy his and his family's freedom, but was refused. Consequently, in 1846, he sued for his freedom on the grounds that his residence in free territories should have made him a free man. Scott's legal battle lasted for 11 years, during which time his case saw several trials and appeals. When the case reached the Supreme Court, it was not just about Scott's personal freedom, but also touched on broader constitutional issues involving slavery and federal power. The court's decision, delivered by Chief Justice Roger B. Taney, was a sweeping 7-2 ruling against Scott. It held that no person of African descent, whether enslaved or free, could claim U.S. citizenship, and therefore Scott had no standing to file a lawsuit in federal court. Furthermore, the court declared the Missouri Compromise of 1820, which restricted slavery in certain territories, unconstitutional. According to Taney, the compromise violated the Fifth Amendment, as it deprived slave owners of their property, enslaved people, without due process. The repercussions of the Dred Scott decision were immediate and profound. The ruling effectively allowed slavery to spread to all U.S. territories and emboldened the pro-slavery faction of the United States. It inflamed national tensions over slavery, undermined attempts at compromise, and polarized North and South further, contributing significantly to the events that led to the outbreak of the Civil War. The decision was met with public outcry, especially from abolitionists and free states, exacerbating sectional conflict and pushing the country toward division. The Dred Scott decision's infamy persisted, and it was eventually nullified by the Civil War and subsequent amendments to the Constitution. The 13th Amendment, 1865, abolished slavery. The 14th Amendment, 1868, granted citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the United States regardless of race, and the 15th Amendment, 1870, ensured that the right to vote could not be denied based on race, color, or previous condition of servitude. These legal changes corrected the injustices upheld by the Supreme Court's decision in Dred Scott versus Sandford, marking a crucial turning point in American civil rights